Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Thursday, October the 14th, 2010, and it's time to look at the markets. Okay, if you're not getting a sense of deja vu in this market, you need to take a bigger picture. Step back and look at the big picture and realize what's going on. Here we are in the Dow Jones Industrial Average at this level, moving higher, right? Get nice and overextended, all kinds of sell signals. Didn't matter. The market just kept going higher on low volume, all right? And the real activity was the major volume here, and then it started creeping back in here, and then to the big sell-off right there, okay? So you got this nice big selling happening. My smart money getting out before she actually tanks, right? Okay, here we are again. Same level. Lower volume than before. Okay, advancing with all kinds of sell signals into play right there. Same exact level as before. Wow, that's a shocker. Here we go, all kinds of gaps in this mess and everything else. She continues to press higher, and they're telling you the same thing. Don't worry about Greece. Don't worry about Europe issues. Don't worry about the fundamental problems in the U.S. It just, everything goes higher. There's articles out right now saying ignore the overbought conditions of the technicals, ignore the fundamentals because the Fed's just going to make things go higher. Well, it's not true. Yesterday, we showed you in our video, which I recommend you watch it if you haven't already. Watch that video because we're going to continue on that concept. We're talking about how the computers are actually trying to separate you from your cash by getting you to do stupid things. So they will drive false rallies and they will try to encourage you to buy. So here we had this big move to the upside. We told you to go to our free website at perfectstockalert.com. You can see the MPT rating. It told you this big move was going to happen here the day before it happened, before any of the news came out. They tried to tell you was the cause of it, okay? Then we posted one after that close telling you the market would be up again today, all right? And for the whole day, she started selling off. She was down about 80 points, I think, in the Dow Jones intraday before the very end of the day, boom, back to the upside. Well, why would they do that? During that sell-off, there's a news article came out. They stated that there was market was selling, but it would probably be kept in check because of the Fed. The argument is go ahead and buy, even if it sells off, just keep buying because the Fed's going to save you. All right, and it's going to just keep, markets are all going to go higher. You don't have to worry about selling. It's all great and dandy. And these computer activity trading is actually confirming that idea. You know, they're making it look that way. See, had you bought here today, you would have made money. Had you bought back here, the market went higher. Had you bought here, it would have went higher. Okay, ignore the sell signals, ignore the fundamentals. It's just going to go higher. Yet, what's that? Same stuff we saw before. They start ticking up, increasing that selling before they dump it. The whole thing they're doing here is trying to convince you that it's okay to go buy, when you know good and well it's not. If you look at the fundamentals, it's not good. If you look at the technicals, it's not good. So why would you buy? Because it's going up. You can't do that. That's absolutely irresponsible. All right? Like I said, this is my opinion. Take it or leave it. But back here, for 2 months, I was shorting from that point on. And all this time people were saying, you're missing the greatest run. You'll never make any money. And then, bleh. This time around, we're here again. I'll end about here. Same fight as here. All right? Added here, just waiting. Tick tock, tick tock. All right? Now, more importantly, the argument here is that it doesn't matter what happens to price and how overextended it gets because of the Fed. But look at the FTSE. Okay, well, I want to keep an eye on what's going on in Europe. I watch the FTSE. You can watch other indexes, but I watch the London Financial Times Index. And you'll notice here we were again, back here, low point. All right, rallied up here, got nice and overextended, got nice sell signals, all kinds of stuff like that. Rallied up here. Note the high points of the slow stocks were trending lower. This is going down, while price activity is still going up. All right, that's a bearish divergence. It's telling you it's unsustainable. It's going to fall apart. But price activity kept going up, and so some people just said, forget it, it's just going to go up, I'm going to buy. And then, all right, here you are again from a lower point. All right, you rally on. Okay, here we go. Up, 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 sell signals in place. Price activity still going higher, and the slow stock just going lower. Yet, you get sell signal after sell signal, people are still telling you the same thing. Don't worry about it, buy, because the Fed. No, wait a minute. There's no Fed over there propping it up, right? Okay, so why are you doing it? Did the problems get resolved? No, they're worse. It doesn't make any sense to buy this market. Be smart. or get separated from your money. It's that simple. Okay, I got a lot of people asking yesterday, where's this MPT rating I was talking about that gives a projection and prediction I should say, of what tomorrow's market activity will be. And you just go right here, click this link right there, MPT rating. It takes you to the page. There's a video on there showing you how to read it and all that stuff. And then if you scroll down below that video, you just click that right there. It brings up the chart with the number for every single day on it. Okay, and at the close of every day, it's already up there right now, but at the close of every day, we post a number that tells you which direction the computers are setting the market up for the following day. All right. Like I said before, it's only 85% accurate, but that's 85% is pretty actually good in the market. And there's a key down here to tell you how to read it. Okay. Pretty cool, pretty simple. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. A quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. God bless, take care. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. That helps us stay free, and we appreciate that.